Morning, guys. It's 5 in the morning. Let's get the day started. Milk for small ones and food for big ones. I thought of taking a quick nap, but let's play a master. Hey, it's 7 in the morning. It was so lazy and sweet 7 until they came into my life. Now it is so energetic that it does not feel like taking showers to wake us fully up. Okay, now it's time for me to leave for the office, and I think they will be going for a quick nap for because look at those sleepy eyes. They love to get massage for some time. Sometimes you have to make their routines yours. Let's play so we can sleep.